And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start this dance separated on the sides of the dance floor. The leader is going to be on the left side of the floor and the follower is going to be on the right side. We are about 4 steps away from each other, so just make sure you aren't too far away. Also, just make sure that the both of you are in your positions, ready to go before the music starts, since we start walking in right away. So the leader and follower are going to start facing each other, and when that first beat comes in, we're going to take about 2 to 3 steps to meet each other in the middle. So the music starts, we go 1, 2, 3, connect our hands on count 4. So this is both of our right hands. And then the follower is going to turn clockwise or to the right under their right arm. Leader, just make sure your grip is really loose with this hand. You're more so just guiding them rather than squeezing their hand. So follower turns starting with the right foot, going 5, 6, 7, 8. So I took about 4 steps to turn. And then as you notice, Nick just opened up his body slightly so that we can prepare to walk in a circle. So we start walking clockwise about 180, going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then follower, you're going to reverse your turn to the left or counterclockwise, starting with the left foot, going 5, 6, 7, 8. So on count 7, 8, leader, your right arm is going to guide your follower's right arm over your head, and then we both finish in a hug position. So follower, my arms are over the leader's shoulders. Leader, your arms are around the follower's back. Now for this intro, just a couple of things to focus on. Make sure you maintain your eye contact throughout the whole first 2 8 counts. This is going to make sure you get really good pictures of the beginning of the dance, and it also just establishes the connection right away between the both of you. Other than that, feel free to do anything that feels stylistic with your arms. So follower, your left hand, you can hold any extra fabric that your dress has when you're turning. Leader, your left hand, if you want to do something with it, you can put it behind your back or just make sure it's nicely by your side. We just want to make sure this intro feels very intentional. We're now going to show this intro starting from the back. Feel free to try it with us whenever you're ready. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.